Nice wee brown trout for the waterfalls. Oh, wasn't the release I wanted, but he's back. That was quite quick. Wasn't expecting one to get that one that quick there. Let's try again. Oh, there's number 2. Sorry about the lighting, guys, it's quite dark down here. No bad wee trout though. Just moving down to a different spot, guys. So I got two there and 3 wee misses. No bad. Tiny wee things, but it's this sport that counts. We'll check this next wee pool down here. Go, fish number 3. Tiny wee thing. Look at it. Cute wee thing. Moving to another wee pool now. Might give this one a wee try. There's another one. This one's the weeest, I think, so far. Oh, there you go, that's about the best one of the day. Nice wee colours on it, nice red spots. No bad. This is now the biggest one. Jeez, oh, I just cast it in, literally. Literally just cast it in. May as well show you what I'm using for bait as well. It's just wee, what they called, maggot waxworm things. There you go, waxworms. And they're working perfectly. I think that's about 6 or 7 now. Something like that. No bad, no bad. Just going to catch one more, or try catch one more and call it a day. I've done no too bad. Wasn't expecting all them. No bad at all. I've got my last one. Not a bad wee size one for the last one. Decent. Well, that was no bad, guys. Plenty of wee trout there. Wasn't expecting that, to be fair. No all them anyway. I knew I was going to get 1 or 2 wee things, but wasn't expecting that. Yes. Anyway, guys, I'll leave you to it now. Remember to smash that follow button. It was well worth a follow, surely. And hit that like as well. Appreciate it. Catch you later.